Big up Crosses TV.
Graphics TV, just have your phone out, cause this one is gonna big.
I
See
don't
Vicky say up
know.
there.
Vicky have said in a request. I know you want to, and I don't know them.
Jesus. Oh God.
I want you have to take care of your business, not everybody's business. Me
All
not make not.
right.
Yeah, me not fight the whole world out here.
Okay.
Yeah,
And you them start do me God for me I go cry.
cry for what? You don't know them, auntie.
Not because me don't know them.
Me not know
A
them.
similar situation. Me and my
Press
daughter
Vicky. For them business on. Them a big
a similar situation. Vicky, why you other? Alright, me come down.
Me not fight the whole
And then
world out here. That's what me not do. When you want to
Kita,
talk, for them business talk.
Kita,
Yeah,
come
yeah.
down there, look, make Vicky come up, me see if make Vicky come up, look there.
Me not fight the whole world out here. Remember me tell you, auntie, when you fight the whole world, me get left over, calm you.
I go always cry peace.
Yeah, man, you can't do it, auntie. You know, no say go, man, you mean. A piece, you mean. Vicky, you have to add, send it, the request.
See, Crosses TV say Adam mute. Okay. But, oh Jesus.
Our Vicky mother send in the request.
No, make Vicky come first.
Why you want
Make Vicky
Vicky
come.
to come? Want the
With
mother
that
to
you
come
can
too?
see, Vietnam Susie, work with the Antilico, no man. Work with the Antilico there. Make Vicky come first. God.
I don't see nobody sending their request.
Vicky, send in your request. Your Crosses TV is Vicky. Oh my God. Let them both come. Why they want them both to come? What's wrong with you guys?
Send it in, Vicky. Remember, I did find the comment section, but you have to send it in, Mama.
Lord God, see Vicky said, had the crackhead first. You see me tell you, Susie?
I don't know if Vicky has a crack and she want to come, she come. And that's
No, a Vicky say it. A Vicky say it. Vicky
I
say
know. And I said I don't know her as a crack and she could say that. Vicky, send in the request. You know how to send the request.
Oh
Stop
God.
act like you sending it, you're not sending the request. Send in the request. Auntie Joan might do you, Auntie Joan. I'm telling you, me ain't nobody business. I never free man, anybody me not care. You do you. One son of Auntie Joan daughter are you. Simple.
Okay, yes.
Can't fight everybody war out there, so it's too much.
It start hurt me already.
Say me head not hurt me because I don't know Vicky and I don't know her mother, so my head not hurt.
Vicky send the request yet?
Show you maybe this says something. Okay, no, she did. Okay, let's see who respond this. Blood clot, the mother, bam. Come in, mom. On the mute. Hi, mom.
See me, I mean, I spit my hands.
No, like somebody want me know, so.
Probably, maybe knowing.
Big up yourself. Say, your mommy, me go mute.
Yeah, man.
Make everybody hear you. Mommy, big up yourself. Much love.
You know, if you move, remember me telling me because me not go put on my daughter for nothing.
Okay,
Let she talk what she want to.
Go, mommy.
Yeah, me not put her down for nothing because guess what? I my first pity that she could have killed me. You know?
Yes.
If she want to go disgrace me, that I fear fucking business because me bring her come.
Me like that.
Me have nothing bad to say about her, nothing bad.
Big up yourself,
most of my daughter now, me know something wrong with my bumbo clock daughter. No, make us bad there. And my daughter that is not my pitney.
That's not the person that you know, right, mommy?
Listen, I find her uncle dead. She start act up. Me no know her. Me I try to talk to her to find out what really I go on her head and she now listen to me. Me no come here so to put her down.
Right.
She say me no do nothing for her. When Vicky just come out this country, everybody think
no, mother, you say you never say nothing there where you go. You
Auntie
say
Joan
you're
can't
not.
disturb the lady
Me
from
gone.
Auntie Joan
Me
mother.
gone.
Where I go? Where
And
I
No,
go?
come
then
here
you drop
tell
it
you
and
say
come out
no.
like
Me a
no
mother
why
like
like
you
oh my
and
God Auntie
me and my
Joan.
first
I
child are the
said
same
stop
thing,
and
mother.
mind your
Don't
business
do
Auntie
Well,
it.
me
Joan.
You
nah
go
come
go
up
up
here,
on
me nah come
YouTube.
up here computer I
You
done. Me
hear
nah do it.
the lady said she
Make she
not
do
do it
what
and
she
me
a
say
do.
not put it on her that
She
I'm
must know what
listening
she
what
a
she
do.
said. She talking
Me
what's
nah
going on
put
with
her
her
down. Make
garden,
she
not
talk what
about
she want
Arabia.
talk. Me no business.
Sure.
Me just want people know the book of truth and not what she a talk. No go so. A pure lie the little girl I tell
Yeah.
for me. Me are the best mother to Vicky. And when Vicky we come up and talk the fucking truth. I feel like Vicky I tell her me talk the truth about her life story from day one. And she come out and me big world tell
No,
now.
no, no big old mommy. No, no, no big old. Respect you.
Vicky are my first child. I have 5 of them.
You
One
see?
born up here and the next 4 born at Jamaica. She said me run when I left them. I don't. My people live good at Jamaica. Yeah,
Okay.
No
right
crosses
now things are
TV, we
going
not
on in
like
my
your
life.
advice,
When
but I know everything when you feel wrong
out
here.
all of my 5 people, them things are going with me right now. Where Vicky alone and know what going with me. The rest of them know everything we are going. Because of them I do my business.
She not say bad though.
No.
She not
I say me now put her down.
Mother.
Ain't nothing there to put her
Everything,
down
mother.
about.
Mother
Because
not
out
cool
of
with
me she
me.
come out.
Mm-hmm.
Everywhere Vicky see me on the road, Vicky said, dirty mommy. All the years she has said me move down black to watch her. When me I watch Vicky for,
yeah,
it's always
yeah.
Vicky at 30 years. When me I watch Vicky
No,
for after Vicky and I'm not
mother.
30.
Mother, look here now. You say you nah go there. Me have the
Just
same
live my
problem with
life.
my
When
first
me I
one
watch
too.
Vicky I talk about she get money and me I tell people nothing no go so none of them something they are not true. No I listen to fucking me and no I listen to Vicky.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing no go so. Vicky no me never know say Vicky get lawsuit or whatever. Cause Vicky and her brother in a car accident, I know my son no get free money. So how me know how me ever know if Vicky get money? Me no Vicky no go so about nobody no want to have Vicky cause Vicky. All along Vicky as a people about me, I say me never know say me have Oprah.
Oh,
Cause she have just fucking Oprah because me no know where she get too much money for people, too much people want to rob her. None of them something they are not true with Vicky at all.
right, right.
None of them. No listen to me, me a Vicky mother.
Yeah.
Everything when you hear Vicky come out and talk about people, nothing no go so, nothing. It look like Vicky have somebody attack to her in her fucking head. I'm will lick him out her head.
Okay. But like you come up, you know, bring her and you don't speak.
Right.
Understand?
Now me I bring her down for me if you bring down no one up, me not even want to do this. If
Yeah.
she must know what she had bring me down for because at the end of the day I was a good mother.
Yeah.
Ask Vicky one bad thing when me ever do to her. She said me this and me that. Vicky are my first child and me do everything when me could have do. I file fit me having my mother file for 2 of them. She and her brother and my mother said, listen, I left my wish she take up one time. She said everybody bring one child. Me could have bring my son and I left her. Me said, no, you know what, she a girl, let me bring her with me.
You love her,
Mm.
yeah.
Yeah,
Mm.
because my mother I know when know her from she born and everything. So she choose who me fi carry. So everybody bring one and I bring her. I could
Mm.
have carry my son instead of she. But true she a girl, me say she make me Jordan go fuck her with me and me bring her come. So at the end of the day, I don't know what she and Vicky know say me a working girl. From me come here say me a work. Vicky can't work and nowhere me work. Work and be a big hospital and be a big nursing home. Me work at a casino over things. So me know she talk about me no work and me no have the only fucking what you call it sitting Vicky have a blood clot, PhD, physical head damage. Me never me not clean nobody pussy and my mother alone pussy me supposed to clean and she pass off. So there's something there from me there Jamaica my mother tell me when she used to do it how people treat her and shit in a sink and me say me not coming here can't do it. So me go me go work at nursing home, me work in a kitchen, me work in a mountain and I hospital, me work all the way over in a white people neighborhood. What if I work, me work I last work me have one day a casino me work. So me don't know what she talk about, me no work. And me no have nothing. Me have a surprise here where I come up. And when she see she could have a heart attack. Me not bring nothing come and me not bring nothing go. Somehow that my mother teach me. So we come and so we go. Me not worship vanity. Me could have. Ask her how much money come through the hand. Ask her. I said, Vicky, Yeah, go like your mother never have nothing. Ask her how much money come through this. And a friend blood clot fuck up my life with my money. What do I? Every day I blood clot Atlantic City again, I tell them can't be done to nothing. So I don't know where she come on live. We never know Vicky get into this thing, but she on live and chat all these bullshit. Yeah, next people never my next side I say no, I bring me on live. We never know where I go on Naira. Me good. I sick me get sick, make me stop working and me get a strokes after my brother did, you know. Me and can't me decide when me get the sports band and can't hold nothing in it. Cause it come like it lock up. That's why I not work right now. So I don't know what she talk about.
I do therapy, man.
Okay,
Me
man.
do therapy, but then I think I said the insurance is up if you pay, continue to pay for it. So my daughter Jamaica tell me something for birth, but I just me hand. So if you buy one ball and keep it rolling on my hand.
So, mommy, which part of Jamaica you come from?
Up to Red Hills Road.
Which part of Red Hills Road?
Black and Steel.
Who the fuck this?
Talk to me.
You know Blossom Masters?
Blossom Masters, no.
You know Joan Masters?
No, probably Blossom live up a common.
No, you know Nami?
Then Nami brother me breed for.
So you don't know Joan? We used to talk to Nami.
Me probably, but Les me know as him baby mother.
Yeah.
You know Les, right?
Yeah. I mean take well Nami from Les.
Are you ready to do it?
Yeah.
Listen to them, you fuck it. Me say that woman never yeah. Been knowing it, man.
Yeah.
You know Nami, man. Me know I cover them. I'm a family them.
Want to Bev? You hear from Bev? You ever hear from Bev?
Bev Coburn?
Yeah.
Me not chat to her because she take my baby father, so me not deal with her. Yeah, she take my Vicky baby Vicky father from me, so me not chat to them.
Oh God, you see? Me telling you, you know,
small world, me tell you, a small world, that's why you have to know what you're doing.
That's why I tell you, these people, they need to stop what they're doing.
Yes, because you don't know who you know and who know you.
They need to stop what they're doing.
You see Vicky, you see the same Vicky that Joan?
Yeah.
Joan, you see Vicky and Nami are godfather.
Lord of mercy, so me know Vicky then.
Probably she come from she have 4.
Okay.
So you probably not gonna know her.
Okay, so you remember
you used to come up in Alien?
Yeah, you know, me no know you, me I go show you, me and you remember. Alien, me used to go over Alien them, and me and Bev, Alien sister Bev.
Why you not say to me, teach the daughter when you Alien?
Yeah.
So you know Sandra, Haji and Tony and all of them there.
You been knowing. Sandra the agent to meet before that one, yeah, Sandra did send me there.
Yeah. You been knowing the true woman, you know them the people, yeah.
Actually, Ed, I get them, make you remember me, man.
Yeah, probably me know you by Facebook.
Me used to run there, me used to run there every day, me used to run there.
Yeah.
And DNT, you remember DNT?
Let me see you, me know you.
Yeah, man, you remember DNT too? You remember DNT where drop
watch ya.
They did a yeah. They no run on my house.
You're a bad girl, you. You a bad girl.
Run on my house, DNT used to work.
On a mar.
Run on my house, run a Blossom. Blossom, I don't know, you know, my mama, the big person, and she used to open.
No, on a Blackwood Terrace, Blossom did live.
No, we live at Leicester, half a Whitehall.
Oh, up a Whitehall side. So you know Adeline?
Eh?
You know Adeline?
Yeah, you know the whole of them. Sharp Adeline.
Then Adeline know me auntie.
So that's why I tell you, say you know me good. I remember you know me.
I'm thumping on your back when you say that me I go to me. I'm thumping on your back. Adeline know me auntie.
Yeah, you see Vicky a cuss with a no dirty dog. You can't confuse me, mommy. Vicky darling. Vicky sweet.
Have respect for your elders. Go sit down. Be yourself.
No, make you stay. Make you stay.
No, make you get herself together, brother. Not tell me make she stay. No, know what she do.
Me I go
If she
through
a
the
job people
same
blood and
thing
all
too.
these things, she know what she a do.
Me
How she
I
know
go
she
through
can
the
live to
same
work on
thing with my
job
oldest
blood. She know
too.
what she a do. Go sit down
Alright
and
guys.
respect your elders. Me not
Alright
grow you
guys, my
so.
son a call from L. I'll be back.
Everybody
Well,
gone?
no, yes, man. Go take your call, man. It's 209 and auntie, no.
I do wanna get call.
Auntie, mama, me can say auntie, mom. You know, say
Oi.
me not be knowing though, I respect you though, and me like when you come and you really talk to side because not say you bring her down in a way still
Me
because
nah bring her down. When me a bring down me wanna pick on myself, me a bring down. You think me a
right,
idiot? If me bring
right.
her down, no she me, I'm myself, me a bring down.
Let me ask you something, auntie. You know auntie up, you know a lady name up?
This a hope up here?
Yeah, the up, yeah, like
Yes, me a hope come from Reddy's Road too. You
but
know
you
I'm
know her like
from Jamaica.
so you know her like in New York since you come over here?
Eh? Hold on, give me 1 minute here. Hold
Oh,
on.
okay. She look in for longer time.
Yeah, where you say Susie?
I'm saying that you say no Hope, but yeah, say since like Hope travel New York and then place there. When you come over here, you met her.
No, me know hope from Jamaica. Up already is what same place where me used to live hope usually there every day and night.
So where you live now? New York?
Yeah, me there in
Oh,
New York.
me say when Hope come to New York, you ever see meet up with Hope?
Yes, me and hope when we after yeah, we come in and live far from hope where hope restaurant there.
Okay, which is right. Let me ask you something, do
Oh.
Hope ever try to like to poison Vicky or nothing like that?
Nothing no go so, no listen to us about no fight, nothing no go so. You see after my brother dead, Vicky said she catch me I put things in her jeans. Nothing no go so. Me say nothing listen to me attack at you, nothing no go so.
Clear and
It's
now.
not that I know Vicky attack, I devil in her demon. No about nobody a poison her, nobody. All I own a fucking daughter, she say a poison her. So no must know. Nothing no go so. Chin wa go and want chat to you.
Clear enough, and we're gonna take that allegation after Hope that Vicky mom say that
Nothing no go so all about no robbery, nothing and none of them something no go so. You know me I tell you something never know so Vicky get last week cause she and her brother going get in an accident the same time and I know my son no get free money. So me never know so Vicky get money. So I'm a daughter from blood clot Jamaica call me and tell me say man, you know say your daughter over there in a pain. Me say what do I? She say Vicky go do bad. Me say what you not say to me? So look like Vicky get a little $10,000 because nobody know when a car accident like them and I get no more than one little $10,000. So how much people are rob Vicky so? How much people are rob Vicky so Vicky no must broke by now? She's first she say me and her brother climb on roof to rob her. And we other little boy they love Vicky and Vicky the live I call up him brother name. That the little youth they never chat to people when people see him and in talk to people everybody say mummy and for your picnic we have manners you know in no mix up or nothing. And Vicky knows say she a fuck up car. At the end of the day you must sit back and I say what happened to me? How me fi violate my family them? Right now, Vicky and nobody not talk, none of her friend them, no family, nothing. Because me want to call my little brother to make him go talk to her, but me no want him go up there and she go call police because nobody go across Vicky Black. She call police and they come for rob her.
yeah, mom,
Me a walk,
yeah.
yeah, me a walk there a couple days ago, me say Vicky. Yeah, Vicky, dirty mommy go be here.
Oh my God.
So me no pay no mind, me just start laugh.
Yeah, me understand. Me love that. Me love that moment. Me understand.
Yeah, where me I go do? Eh? Where me I go do? At the end of the day, me get sick right now, she a run come. Man, I mean know
Oh,
that she a go run come. Yeah, but cause me no know what kind of screw spin in her head, but one big one spin. Susie,
yeah.
me nah put on Vicky, make Vicky
Yeah,
go
me
and say what she
understand.
want to say. Me no come for me not go pan no life go like me a idiot and then this thing they all over the
You know what
world.
I
Like me a
like?
idiot.
What I like with your mom, you're not
Me
really
nah put
fuck
her
that
down cause Vicky is nobody fi put down. No Vicky, me no know how Vicky do no wrongs. Like me I go come up and say, oh Vicky this and Vicky that. Me nah go do that.
right. I love that. That's why I was
Yeah,
wondering.
me not doing it. Make she say she what she want say. And me know just lie down at night time and me say, God, this is not my child. Where's my child? And make she stop. Cause me no want nobody hurt her at the end of the day. And
Pray for her.
the way how Vicky a go and somebody a go hurt her cause she all around us so we live. Every time I walk people, mommy, what happened to Vicky? What happened to Vicky? Me say me no know me to ask you the same question. You see
So,
why you what they tell me
one
say,
more question, mom. They
you
that
no mind me,
work.
I got you menopause, me I sweat you for.
No,
Wait,
I saw that, mom. I saw that. Just take. You have a bottle of water, mom, side of you?
yeah, me a drink man, me a drink water, me have water everything. Me good enough, me great. Cause me now make Vicky run up back this piece of pressure and give me strokes again. So me know that's why me never look listen to her life them or not. Me nah come for you, come put on Vicky. Vicky
Yes,
not do,
mom. That's right. That's
she not do me nothing. Word is wings and when she talk you blow and gone, that's how me look on life. Me nah
yes, mom.
come for
It's so
some
nice.
son no fucking idiot and me mother and daughter they on your IG audio.
Yeah,
Like me a blood
mom,
clot
I like how
idiot.
you
Me a
do
no idiot.
and explain yourself and you don't bring her down. I like that.
Yes, me nah do it.
It's
There's a lot to say, but when me all come up here can say, and then I'm here gonna look bad as a mother.
right.
Yeah, make she do what she
That's
want, do
the
what she
question.
want, cuss me and tell me a lie. Everything Vicky has about me and lies, Susie has God a lie.
Yeah, mom.
None of what
I
Vicky
believe
has said, none of it no goes on. Not one of them Vicky has said, yeah, true she attack. None of it.
okay, mom. Okay, mom.
Not one of them. No, we don't know what to Vicky.
Mom, let me
The
ask you
only one me
a
can say I choose shit me
question.
see her in the store over there. And me say Vicky come me I say Vicky come me want to find out what go on her head because ask me I go ask her how
Yeah.
she feel in her head. And she feels so what she had what is right.
Mom, let me ask you a question. You
Yeah.
Vicky work in a hospital and draw blood on them something there?
And that me I tell you something me know she have a certificate for you. Me you make me bite me tongue here because me can't call certain things. Me know she have it, but she said me dash it. Me I go dash you something, me sit down and me sit down babysit you put them for you go to school. So me I go see you something and dash it. I clean and it's something get mixed up.
Oh.
How
So
me
she
I go take your certificate them and show them like me an idiot. You
so
turn
she
a
work
light
at the
on me.
hospital right now, right? And she
Me no know, me no know. I'm a little brother tell me say Vicky work at hospital. Me never see her. Me see her in her uniform, but me never see her in her hospital. I know people say them I work and I work. But
yo,
me
mommy,
think she
yo,
a work.
mommy, body now.
Yeah, no people why yesterday me go a Century 21 na Manhattan. And when me go in a store, I want woman in a uniform a thief. So enough people put on uniform and I tell her I say them I work. Got thieves. I swear enough people put on uniform got thief I say them I work. I don't do nothing. Yeah, Vicky not have no problem. You hear me, Susie?
Yeah. Me see that. Me like how you talk, though, mom.
Yeah, me and I not have no problem. She will just see me and leave me alone. Let your mother live.
Yeah.
Bitch, if me dead. You know nothing to live for because I'm me alone you have. You don't have a father. Because if you have a father alone, you're not dead already. So that's what I do for you.
No, that's
Me could do nothing more. But do my best what me could do for you. Most what me could do, me do it for you. Me send you to school, you go to school, go turn bad girl when none people with scissors every day.
right.
When none of the people ain't picking with scissors. Me don't know what come after that. You say you go to college. When you get pregnant, you say, Vicky, you have to go back to school with your belly. You have to go to school. You say, all right. She say, all right, mother. I say, if you can't lay down in here, you know, go to school. Me go on to school. You have the baby. I'm middle there with you 24/7. Keep baby shower. Everything. You have the baby. You say, all right. You still have to continue school. You take up badness for you, tell you, if you're bad, me have to deport you back to Jamaica. Me deport you back Jamaica in a space of 2 weeks. Then call me and say she want me and Vicky don't know nothing about Jamaica because she left from them when she was poor. I have to take plane like me I've been Laden, go run good on the go try to find her. I have to pay police, bad man, thief, liar and judge to find her back. When I find her back, Vicky gone again. He said, you know how much money Vicky broke me in her life. If me broke right now and she broke me because what if money me spend for Vicky. So I don't know what she talk about. I'm in a broke for hungry. I do my little thing, but me have a something I go to Jamaica for Christmas. I tell her to meet me down there. Running like
Boy,
my
boy.
people. Me take care of my people them. That
Wish
one of them
it,
at Jamaica can come up like and say, mother never do. My people them wear things that are there in a team in a fucking America.
wish this
Oh.
thing can done between she and Vicky though. I'm not
She
lying.
not got done. She not got done. So she see she feel like her chest and I might want to she look at it. I might want them long what she suck out because she suck them out there long. Because she suck till she had to.
So to me a sick.
Yeah, try to find somebody to sit down and talk with her. We can even get country in her help. You see what the year me get sick, me have anxiety, couldn't move, couldn't do nothing. And when me go a doctor, the doctor say me have to say, what you call the people them? If you're mad, what they name me come and tell us me now bite my tongue, you know.
Psychiatric.
Psychiatrist. Yeah. And me go see her and me feel better now. Me couldn't me all afraid to come out of my house. And me go see her and me feel better. So she need to go see a psychiatrist and see what go on in her head. Cause they do help. Me I try to find all money body to tell her cause she and money body a big friend. Tell her to go talk to her and make she stop the foolishness. Stop go palm life and do your foolishness. Stop it. Stop it, cause your back brother than my one, cause I can't find Brazil for fit me. Give me my back brother.
I can't stand mommy.
Sweet your money body. Give me my one brother, me can't find Brazil for fit me.
Mommy, more I'm Vicky stop. God no. Me
I
not
know
like
me,
it.
you see me come on live, I do I know, you know, me say, I don't know, say me not have nothing to do with a Vicky a fuck up, or nobody not tell her, say stop. Cause me I do live and Vicky come on, me
I
I no
lie.
pick the company. No
I
pick the
lie. Me
company
tell
live
her.
and bring down them mad and me I lock them off and say go sit down at one place. She go on one live with one batty man where the man turn to her and say, Vicky, my your mother I want to go on your little girl, cause everywhere you're the panigram and every minute your story change. She ready to start customer and true. You know, yes, I make it tough for money without no oh, well, money, me not have no money and the man not say nothing wrong. And your mother and your father, your days baby longer. Behave
Mm.
yourself. Me not fuck with you. Anyway, me see me hold me head straight. Me not fuck with you. Leave me alone. Or you
You
reach
know,
all the way upon fucking internet and call my name.
you know the hurtful part about it.
Hey.
She has say, you're my friend, and you are say, she are my friend.
You know who called? Let me tell you who called me last week after all of this fucking thing, the Raja.
Who's Raja?
For asylum.
Oh.
That's how
Oh.
far this thing gone. Cause what if people are watch this thing on YouTube? Stop it. Stop and stop. Call people name because you don't know who is one people are gonna hurt you.
Mm.
Me sit down
Oh
and me window
God.
and me hear nobody else scream me and looking for Vicky. Because me don't know what where me can expect. Make she feel like say, I'm not sorry, me sorry for Vicky, me not sorry for Vicky. Because if you don't know what you do, you draw people blood.
I talk to the two and I talk to Vicky and I talk to you.
Me don't
Talk
chat,
to
me
the
go
two.
and back to drink my little dragon. I drink me heart. I clean and all. I clean the people they abandoned. You know, and you see the woman when me and her compare the woman for moving here. She depend on the live right now and she have the receipt there make she put it up. She show us I'm not living in no abandoned house. Me have my receipt and me pay the woman for moving here. And she have the receipt because me and her come and my son come pay the woman. So I don't know what she at her. Yes, when me live at Canasi it was abandoned, but this is not abandoned. Me pay me money. So you make Vicky go and chat shit. Anybody who have a poor with Vicky and her foolishness, I don't like it. I do not like it. Tell her I say go sit down, little girl, and go respect your mother. Stop. Yeah, me don't like it because if me dey alive and me see no picnic come and disrespect them mother, me I'll come off. Go sit down
Oh
where your
yeah.
mother make you die. Yeah, go sit down at one place. You make your mother make you hear no matter what. So when she dey me text a little dirty something, a little mongrel or Jamaica until I say, anyhow she put Vicky back on her life, me I gonna make them look out her head back cause everybody come and check now. Me no talking with no girl. Up already is where me come from. People throw off people in a blood clot. Go there, you know, hear back nothing about them. As some me know people dead. You know saying blood clot dead. So
Mommy,
make she
who
stay
you
then.
talk toughy?
No must it up you bat.
A dog shit that man.
Me say make she go on, make she go on. Make she go on. Cause me make them pick her up and go throw her off in a gully. To tell her not play with me.
So,
Fuck.
yes, they
Go on
send
again.
out, so mommy, they send out threat. The
Anybody you
mommy,
going back at work?
yeah,
Or your vacation done?
free paper bone.
So you not go wine tonight?
Not a whining on my bed. And I'm a king size for a queen.
Well, me not even gonna away again, cause one time you remember me usually run with me not gonna away no more. Because
I
most of them
go,
know after a certain time me get great grand now. So me a
I
old
go,
man, see what I me grew up there.
go
Me no
on
bother
Watkins and
me
go
no bother
Watkins.
with
I'm
it no more.
go Watkins at 96 last night. I'm go at 98. Most of them
What
back
Kinsey
and
that
forth.
keep yesterday?
Mr. Mama, you should have seen the people them in the street. And one,
Alright, me never know say what
go,
Kinsey keep yesterday.
and one girl with the whole of her body out the door.
But she don't poop on her pants but up.
No, sir, you have one. It's a skirt, she have a pants, she have a skirt. No whole
me
of her
have one,
body.
me have one friend when she said when she come up, come from Jamaica and come up here, she go a flat bush to buy one pants. She said she wear the pants for one party. And she a whine and whine and whine. And she just see somebody a touch her and she a say, what? When she look him and say, hold your pants back. She said,
Rose.
granddad, she never buy nothing cheap again. And I'm not joke, because I just see all the little